Hello, my name is Monica Columbeanu and I'm from Romania. I'm 20 years old. Now we are on the FTV yacht in Greece, I think in Mykonos. I never been to Mykonos before, so I can't wait to see it. So I came here first of all to have a photo shooting, and in the second place to have fun. I started when I was 16 with some photo shootings and fashion shows for different designers. First of all from Romania. Then I was the cover for different magazines. Yes, I won top model of Romania. And also I was the first on the FTV Awards in the world. And then I was proposed to have a TV show, so it's on the air for more than 1 year. If I have to choose between television and modeling, I think I would choose television, because I can be myself and I can express myself, and I don't have to be false at all. I was proposed to be the image of a lingerie brand, which will be launched in December. It's called Bordel, and I think it will be the competitor of La Bella. And I think I'll do it because I think it's a good opportunity. In modeling, I like the photo shootings because I can express myself the way I want, not the way the designer wants. I study at communication and public relations. So I think this university is perfect for me because it's good to have formal education when you want to do something serious. I'll tell you goodbye right now because I want to go to prepare for the photo shooting. So see you later.
Sorry guys, now we need to go to Mykonos. We arrived to Mykonos.
Yeah, maybe?
It's Mykonos.